Hey, I'm salty because you didn't come to my boat party.
I have enough potions now. Where are you, Sunstrider?
Oh, I see you. Swimming.
No, I don't see you. No. Please. Please do not hurt Brutus. Where are you?
I don't know. Where are you? Oh, this is intense, huh?
Please. Where are you, Sunstrider? I am freaking out right now. Oh, reload. Reload.
Whoa, that was insane. Dance time.
The urban legend is, if you say his name 5 times.
Three wishes, Charlie. Oh.
But Charlie, you can't eat chocolate.
Oh, he knows. Tim Tam.
Time for a cat nap. Oh, hello there.
Meowsles, I just got a call from the boss. He says that there's a spy here on the boat, and that we must find her.
Oh, her. Meow.
With the ship being so large, we're basically playing a game of hide and seek. What do you say, Peely? Flip for it? Looks like I'm the seeker.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go. While you guys go hide, I'm gonna get my workout on.
Brutus is unnoticeable to the human eye.
Well, good thing I've got cat's eyes.
I am a master spy.
I'm a master cat.
It's fine, it's fine. You stay there. He's good.
All right, ready or not, Meowsles is gonna find you.
It's so creepy.
Is anyone in the kitchen?
I can say for sure that I am not in kitchen.
Are you under?